Hi, we are doing logarithm. Solve the following. The first one is log x minus 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. Now we will change this log into exponential form. Now how do we change the log into exponential form? If it is log a to the base b is equal to x, then the base remains the same and the log is changed with the answer. That means it becomes b raised to the power x is equal to a. Same way, now this is log x minus 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1. So this will become 10 raised to the power 1 is equal to x minus 10. That means we will change the log with the answer and the base will remain the same. That is 10. 10 raised to the power 1 is equal to x minus 10. That is 10 is equal to x minus 10. Minus 10 we will take to the other side. X will remain alone. So 10 minus 10 comes here. It becomes plus 10. So x becomes equal to 10. Fine. So the value of x is 10 in the first case. The second one is log x square minus 21 is equal to 2. Now here the base is not given. That means the base is 10. When the base is not given, we have to take the base as 10. So this is 10 base 10 log x square minus 21 is equal to 2. Same way we will change this in the exponential form. Log a to the base b is equal to x. So it becomes b to the power x is equal to a. This is how we change it into exponential form. That is a is the log is swapped with the answer. You can remember like that. The base b of the log will be the base b of the exponential form also. So this will become 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to x square minus 21. 10 raised to the power 10. 2 is 100 is x square minus 21. So 21 goes to the other side, this side, and it becomes plus 21. That is 100 plus 21. So x square is 121. Now what is x? X is the square root of 121. So square root of 121 is plus minus 11. Plus 11 as well as minus 11. Now if I put the value of plus 11, then also the log is positive. And if I put x ki jagah pe minus 11, then also the log is positive. So the answer is plus minus 11. Fine. C. The C one is log x minus 2 plus log x plus 2 is equal to log 5. Now here we will use the rule of the log. That is log a plus log b. What is log a plus log b? It's log a into b. So we will use this law. So log, it will become log x minus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to log 5. Now here it will become x minus 2 and x plus 2 will become a minus b and a plus b form. That is x square minus 2 square, right, is equal to log 5. That is log x square minus 4, 2 square is 4, is equal to log 5. Fine. So now it is log x, log will get cancelled because both the side it is log. So x square minus 4 is equal to 5. So minus 4 goes to the other side and it become 5 plus 4. X square is 5 plus 4. So x is 5 plus 4, 9. So x value, what you are getting here, two values of x, plus 3 and minus 3. Now if I put x is equal to plus 3, then x minus 2 will become 3 minus 2, that is 1, right? So this is fine. But if I put, if x is equal to minus 3, then x minus 2 will become minus 3 minus 2, that is minus 5, and we know log of negative number is not defined. Fine. So the log here, we can see here log x minus 2 will become log minus 5, which is not defined. So here x ka value minus 3 will not be considered. So x is equal to positive 3 only. That will be your answer. Fine. So this is how you have to check with your answer ki log is not becoming negative. If with that number the log is becoming negative, so that value of x will not be considered. Now D1, that is log x plus 5 plus log x minus 5 is equal to 4 log 2 plus 2 log 3. Now again we will start using the rule of law. First here we will see the first law. Log a plus log b is log a into b. This one we will use. And the other rule is n log a is equal to log a raised to the power n. The n which is multiplied with log goes as a power of the log. So here we will apply log a plus log b form. That is log x plus 5 into x minus 5 is equal to, this become 4 log 2 become log 2 raised to the power 4 plus 2 log 3 become log 3 raised to the power 2. Fine. Now this is log x plus 5 into x minus 5. That is a plus b into a minus b. We know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. What is a plus b into a minus b? It is a square minus b square. So this is a plus b and a minus b form. So this become log x square minus 5 square. Fine. And this is log 2 raised to the power 4. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is log 16 plus log 9. Log x square minus 5 square, will leave it as it is, and here again it takes the form of log a plus log b. That becomes log 16 into 9. Fine. Now it is log x square minus 5 square is equal to log 16 into 9 is 144. So log gets cancelled. So x square minus 25 is equal to 144. X square is minus 25 comes to this side, becomes 144 plus 25. That is 169 x square. So x is square root of 169. So x is plus minus 13. Again we will check the value of x plus 5 and x minus 5, putting the value of x as plus 13. So if x is plus 13, right, then log up, you can put it any log. Log x plus 5 will become log 13 plus 5, that is 18. Fine. Positive log we are getting. Now if x is minus 13, then log x plus 5 will become log minus 13 plus 5, right? That is log, from 13 you will remove 5 minus 8. Now we are getting a negative log. So we know that what is the case? Here we will say as negative, we'll write like this, negative, this is negative, log is not defined, therefore x is just plus 13. Fine. So x is plus 13 is the answer, not minus 13 in this case, because as negative log is not defined. So this is how we will find out the value.